Hi everyone, I'm Damien from Graphico. Welcome again to the Friday Wrap, where we show you the best wrap cars in Australia. Well, we had a cool RS6 wagon come in this week at Graphico, and we had all the calipers painted in a high gloss black. Some of you might not know that we actually do paint calipers here at Graphico. We have a great two-pack system here, very high gloss. The calipers don't have to be removed, which is fantastic, so they're all masked, and you don't lose the factory badging on the paint either. So we actually put that back on in a special type of decal as well. So great way to change the look of your car, go from silver to black, or in this case we went from red to black and still got the beautiful RS badging on that car. Moving into something a little bit larger this week, we had an enormous Kenworth truck that we were working on. We're working on a fleet for XL concrete, already beautiful gloss red. We're highlighting the sides with a gloss white stripe to mirror the trucks that are on the road for a number of years with that livery, and we're replicating that now in vinyl. As you can see, big gloss white stripe going down the side of the truck, and all those little rivets were also wrapped as well. So a little bit of intricate work there, but great way to retain the removability of those graphics on the gloss red paintwork. We had two beautiful cars from the Mercedes family come in this week. The AMG GTS, which is getting full blackout package on the badges, very popular edition there, looked pretty stunning on the white car there. And then we had its little brother, the C63 Coupe, in matte silver from factory, all those badges being blacked out as well. Once again, removable, should you change your mind. Great way to change the look of your car whilst retaining the removability of it. Continuing on with Mercedes, we had an E43 sedan come in, beautiful looking car, the new E-Class, fully wrapped at the front end with our XPEL paint protection film. Almost invisible, high gloss, protecting that car from stone chips and other abrasions and things like that. It has that great self-healing technology as well, which is a great way to stop little swirl marks and things like that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Damien from Graphico. Don't forget to tune in again next week as we show you the best wrap cars in Australia.